Deepa. Today we are going to see two chicken salads. One is her favorite and the other one is mine.
Yeah, my favorite is Waldorf chicken salad, which I had in Coimbatore, and it was super yummy, trust me.
And I had this Thai chicken salad at a Thai restaurant and I was amazed by that salad dressing with peanuts.
First up, we're making my favorite salad, chicken Waldorf salad. For this, you'll need half cup of apples, half cup of cooked chicken, quarter cup of grapes, quarter cup of carrot, quarter cup of roasted walnuts, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and some salt and pepper.
We are using carrots instead of celery because celery is not available here. If you have celery, you can use celery. Mayonnaise is homemade. You can check our video to make homemade eggless mayonnaise. Let's start making the salad dressing for the Waldorf salad. Take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and add in honey to it. If you don't prefer to use mayonnaise and looking for salad for weight loss, you can still have this. And instead of mayonnaise, you can use Greek yogurt or yogurt without any sourness. To this, add some salt and pepper. That should be required for the salad. So beautiful salad dressing is ready.
Now let's make the salad. We're just going to mix all our ingredients together. The apples and then the roasted walnuts. Then we're just gonna mix it all well. I'm super happy to make this salad again, and I'm eating it after a little long while.
And then finally add in the dressing to it. This salad can be had anytime in your day, like an appetizer or as for your lunch.
Just mix it well, and it's super yummy.
Thai chicken salad is my favorite, and to make this we'll need half cup of shredded cabbage, half cup of shredded chicken that's been cooked, quarter cup of sliced carrots, quarter cup of sliced green capsicum, 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts, and for the salad dressing you'll need 1.5 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1.5 tablespoon of fresh coconut milk, salt, pepper and chili flakes.
This peanut butter is homemade. To make peanut butter, you can go check out the video from our channel. We also mentioned the link in the description box.
Let's start making the Thai chicken salad, and we are going to first start off making the super yummy salad dressing.
Yeah, for this, I'm going to add honey to the peanut butter and then the coconut milk, the chili flakes, and salt. Just mix it all together. My mom told me the salad dressing was her favorite part.
Meanwhile, I am going to start taking the salad bowl and put all the ingredients together inside it. Let's start by putting the cabbages, the cooked chicken. Make sure you add some shredded chicken for the added flavor. The roasted peanuts. It's going to give a nice crunch to the salad. And the carrots. And the bell pepper. If you would like to add red onions, you can very well go and add that too. Now mix it very well and then pour in the beautiful salad dressing inside.
Looks super yummy.
Which one's your favorite part in this, Purna?
I think the salad dressing was mine because I know how you told me it was great.
But still I know you love the Waldorf chicken salad, right?
Yeah, it was super good. Both the salads are ready.
Let's take a taste.
Wait, Mom, think you can try mine, and I can try your favorite.
Sure. And you love it.
Yeah. This is good, but I still like mine better.
This is tasting so cool. I can feel the chillness in my mouth. But still, I love that.
Yeah, but trust me guys, both the salads are amazing. And try anything at your home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.